What's up everyone? It's Dave Gordon from Both Lighting USA, and today I want to give you guys an overview of our Haze machine that we sell. This is a 600 watt oil-based haze machine, and this really is towards the realm of a professional touring grade hazer. It has a road case built into it with flaps that pop up. I'll get into those flaps. It has DMX control, and most importantly, it has a super high output. It'll fill any room instantly, and if you keep it pumping and you're outside, it'll keep your general area full of haze really, really well. So let's take a look at a demo and let's see all the way around the unit. Now, while this does have a manual control on the back and it also has DMX control, it's got a little wireless remote that it comes with. So you have a on and off button on the wireless remote. When you press the on and off button, your haze immediately starts popping out of the top, and the 3 fans right here come on. There are these 3 fans on this tiltable section of the road case, so you can lock it in to tilt at any angle you want, and it will point the haze into that direction. This can run 100% continuously as long as you need. Of course, you have to keep filling it with haze fluid, but the haze fluid lasts forever and it sticks in the air for a while too. So once you fill a room, you really can let it go for a while. You can turn it off and run it on a long interval because it fills a room and it stays there. It's a nice haze. Let's take a look at the back section of the hazer. Of course, you saw those 3 fans that connect right on this 1/4 inch jack right here, and you've got your 3-pin DMX in and out. This is a little diagram right here of what you're seeing over there. So you have that 1/4 inch fan, you have your DMX in and your out, you have your little screen in the middle here to set your DMX address, and of course you have an IEC power connection and an on and off switch. This fan module comes all the way down and it locks in on both sides. Of course, make sure you tuck your cables in properly. Oh, of course. There you go. Lock that in right on this side, lock it in right on this side. You can store the cables in the center here. You also have this section of the road case that comes up. You've got this section and you've got the flap. That's the flap for your haze, and then you've got the flap to bring up the entire thing. Now right here I have this lid here, this little cap, and that is designed to be put right onto the output nozzle for transportation. So you actually fill this haze machine with fluid in the exact same location where it comes out of, interestingly. So you do have this cap here because if you flip over or you wobble this over, you will have haze coming out of the top. So there is your cap for transportation, and there is your cap for haze running. Fully shut, the road case itself has a really small footprint, and of course it's got casters on the bottom, so it does wheel, and you really don't have to take this unit out of the case. The case is the hazer is the case. Super high output, absolutely recommended if you need a haze machine. Whether you need a small one or you need a touring grade one, this has everything you need in a small package.